In this example, we're going to look at a flash vessel and the material balance across the flash vessel. So what we're going to do in this particular application is look at a temperature and a given pressure and calculate what the composition of the liquid stream exiting that vessel would be and what the composition of the vapor stream exiting that vessel would be. Now, since these are mole fractions, they should add up to a value of 1. And these also should add to a value of 1. How we find that value of 1 is by varying the vapor fraction. So we take an initial guess of a vapor fraction at 0.5. Here we can see that the sum of D47 to D53, which represents the total of this column, minus 1 is supposed to be 0 when this system is in equilibrium. We can see it's not, as it is 0.42338. So in order to find the vapor fraction that gives us the value of 0 here, we simply select the cell for which we want to set the value to some known value. So we go Data, What If Analysis, Goal Seek, and a Goal Seek window comes up. From the Goal Seek window, we will use the Set Cell box, and we will select the cell whose value we wish to manipulate to some known value. In this case, 0. So we want D56, which is the difference between the sum of the mole fractions in the liquid phase, which should be 1, and 1 equal to 0. So we put that equal to 0. Now we must select which cell should change in order for this calculation to output 0 on this cell. So this is the value of the vapor fraction. So when we select this, what Excel is going to do, it's going to try different values of the value in cell C44, in this case the vapor fraction. It's going to attempt to change that value until we get D56 being 0. So click OK. One would have noticed that this cell went through many steps, and in this case you got a current value of 0.00236. Click OK. Now this value is not 0. It is within Excel's tolerance of 0.001 accuracy. In other words, Excel is trying to get the error down to 0.001. In this case, it's gotten it below 0.001, as the error between 0 and 0.00024 is 0.00024, meaning that the error is sufficiently small that Excel will no longer search for a solution. It has found a solution. At this point, we can manipulate this value by hand if we wish to try and get the error down further. So I'm going to try 0.1658. And we can see that the error got slightly larger. I can try 0.1657 and the value is dropping. I can go as low as 0.1650. Here we can see the value has gone negative, meaning that we have started to move away from the solution in a different direction. So here we see now the error is down to the point of 10 to the minus 5. This is a very, very close solution in this case. As we can see, the summation of xi is 1 and the summation of yi is 1.00016. So one can say that this system is more or less in equilibrium, and the problem has been solved using the Excel goal seek function and a slight bit of tweaking.